One of the first court appearances by special counsel Robert Mueller's team got off to an inauspicious start with a federal magistrate scolding prosecutors for being late. "Where were you all?" This was scheduled for 2 o'clock, a gruff-sounding U.S. Magistrate Judge Teresa Buchanan told the prosecution team last July as they entered her Alexandria, Virginia, courtroom to arraign former Trump campaign foreign policy advisor George Papadopoulos on charges of obstructing justice and lying to investigators about the timeline of his Russia-related contact. "We were informed it had been moved to 3 o'clock. We apologize if we misunderstood that it had been rescheduled," Prosecutor Brandon Van Grack replied to the judge's query. The July 28 hearing took place behind closed doors, but after the case was formally unsealed, Politico obtained audio of the roughly 8-minute-long session. Much of the exchange between Buchanan and Van Grack that day centered on the formalities of closing the courtroom during Papadopoulos' appearance. "I can't get a hold of the judge. Are you telling me he actually entered an order sealing this case?" Buchanan asked. "Indeed," Van Grack said. "The Chief Judge of the District Court in Washington, D.C., had issued such an order. That judge, Beryl Howell, also happens to be a she. We need to seal the courtroom then. I'm sorry to make you all go back out, but we need to seal the courtroom again," Buchanan announced to those in the gallery.